So good afternoon dear students. Today we discuss about new chapter theory of equations. Today discuss about theory of equations. First of all, what is the definition of the polynomial? First definition is polynomial. What is the definition of polynomial? Means an expression of the form a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on an x to the power of n minus n is equal to 0, where a0 comma a1 comma a2 comma so an are constants is called polynomial equation of degree n in the variable x. So what is the definition of the polynomial? Is an expression of the form is a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on an x to the power of n minus 0 is equal to 0, where a0 a1 a2 so on an values are called constant is called polynomial degree of n. Degree of n in the variable is x. It is called a polynomial equation. What is the definition of the polynomial? Is an expression in the form of a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on an x to the power of n minus n is equal to 0, where a0 a1 a2 plus so on a are called constants is called polynomial equation of degree. Polynomial equation of degree n in the variable x, it is called polynomial equation. For example, 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? So degree 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? Means 1 is the degree of the polynomial equation. Second one is 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here, what is the degree in the variable x? Degree is 2 in the variable x. This one also polynomial equation. One more equation is 3x cubed plus 4x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is a polynomial equation. What is the degree in the variable x? What is the degree? Is the 3 in the variable x. It is called polynomial equations. What is the definition of the polynomial equation? Is an expression of the form a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on an x to the power of n minus 1 equal to 0, where a0 a1 a2 so on an values are called constants is called polynomial equation of degree n in the variable x. It is called polynomial equation of degree. You understood? The second one is roots of the equation. Second definition is roots of the equation. What is the definition of the roots of the equation? Means the value of x that satisfy the equation, it is called roots of the equation. So what is the definition of the roots of the equation? Means roots of the equation. So what is the definition? The value of x that satisfy the equation is called roots of the example. Roots of the equation. The example is 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 take that side plus 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. The x is equal to 2. The value of x that satisfy the equation is called roots of the equation. What is the definition of the roots of the equation? Is the value of x that satisfy the equation is called roots of the equation. You understood? The third one is most important definition is linear equation. Very important definition. Very important, linear equation. So what is the definition of the linear equation? A polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. What is the definition of the linear equation? Is a of the linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a and b are constants. A and b are constants and x is the variable. So what is the definition of the linear equation? Means the polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. Here a and b are called constants, x is the variable. So what is the definition of the linear equation? This equation is a polynomial equation. A polynomial equation of degree. What is the degree here? Degree 1 in the variable x, it is called linear equation. Everyone understood? A polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. So where a and b are constant, x is the variable. The example is the 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? Degree in the 1 in the variable x. What is the degree in the variable x? Is x power 1. 1 is the degree in the variable x. This type of equation is called linear equation. The one more example, x minus 4 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? Power anything is not there, so take 1. So now here degree is the 1 in the variable x. It is called a linear equation. Once more again, what is the definition of the linear equation? Means a polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation, where a and b are constants and x is the variable. There are two types of linear equation. There are two types of linear equation. First one is one variable linear equation. First one is one variable linear equation. There are two types of linear equation. First one is one variable linear equation. Second one is two variable linear equation. So what is the definition of the one variable linear equation? Means a equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 is called one variable linear equation. Here only a and b are constant, x is the only one variable. This type of equation is called one variable linear equation. What is the definition of the one variable linear equation? Means a equation of the form only one variable, it is called one variable linear equation. The example is x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 and 3 are the constant value, x is the only one variable. So this type of equation is called one variable linear equation. Second one is two variable linear equation. What is the definition of the two variable linear equation? Means the equation of the form ax plus by is equal to 0 is called two variable linear equation. A and b are constant, x and y are, this x and y are two variable. That's why a equation of the form, a two variables, it is called two variables linear equation. The equation of the form two variables, it is called two variable linear equation. First one, once again repetition. First one is linear equation. What is the definition of linear equation? Is a polynomial equation of a degree is 1, it is called linear equation. There are two types of linear equation. One is a one variable linear equation, another one is two variable linear equation. What is the definition of the one variable linear equation? Means a equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0 is called one variable linear equation. The x is the only one variable linear equation. Second one is two variable linear equation. Means the equation of the form ax plus by is equal to 0 is called two variable linear equation. Here how many variables is there? X and y are two variables linear equation. Everyone understood? It is clear. So very most important one more definition is quadratic equation. What is the definition of the quadratic equation? Is a polynomial equation of degrees 2 is called quadratic equation. What is the definition of the quadratic equation? Means quadratic equation, a polynomial equation of degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a and b, c are constants, x is the variable. What is the definition of the quadratic equation? Means a polynomial equation of degrees 2 is called quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of the degrees 2 called quadratic equation. Once again, what is the definition of the quadratic equation? Means a polynomial equation of the degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. Here in this, these are polynomial equation. What is the degree in the variable x? Degree 2 in the variable x. This type of equation is called quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. Here example, 2x square plus 4x plus is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? 2 is the degree in the variable x. It is called quadratic equation. One more example, 6x square 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? 2 degree in the variable x. This type of equation it is called quadratic equation. Everyone understood what is the definition of the quadratic equation? A polynomial of degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. Here also there are two types of quadratic equation. The first one is pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation. Second one is affected quadratic equation. Affected quadratic equation. First one is pure quadratic equation. Means the quadratic equation form is x square plus bx is equal to 0, then b equal to 0. In the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then b equal to 0. B equal to 0 substitute here. 0 and anything value is 0. So what is the equation? Ax square plus c is equal to 0. This type of equation it is called pure quadratic equation. What is the definition of the pure quadratic equation? Means in the quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then b equal to 0 means in place of b 0, some 0 and anything value 0, the remaining values is x square plus c equal to 0. This type of equation it is called pure quadratic equation. Next one is unaffected quadratic equation. Means the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called only unaffected quadratic equation. Say quadratic equation means the polynomial of degree is 2, it is called quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So next one is there are two types of pure quadratic equation and affected quadratic equation. The pure quadratic equation means in the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then b value is 0. Substitute in the given equation, b value is 0, given value is 0. Then reduce this equation. What is the final equation? Ax square plus c equal to 0. This type of equation is called pure quadratic equation. The second one is affected quadratic equation. Means the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is called affected quadratic equation. The quadratic equation can be solved by three methods. First one is factorization method. Second one is complete square method. Third one is formula method. So the quadratic equation can be solved by three methods. First one is factorization method. Second one is complete square method. Third one is formula method. In these three methods, only important method is only formula method. These two methods not asking for the final exam. In this method only important method is formula method. So now discuss about the problems. Everyone understood? So what is the definition of the polynomial equation? Means an expression of the form n of x to the power of n plus n of x to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 an x to the power of n minus n is equal to 0, where a1, a2, a1 are called constant. It is called polynomial equation equation of degree n in the variable x. Roots of the equation is the value of x satisfy the equation, it is called roots of the equation. Most important definition is linear equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called polynomial equation. A polynomial equation of degree 2, it is called quadratic equation. So now discuss about problems. How to solve the problems is very easy. The 2 marks question. These are the 2 marks questions. The first question is find x comma x minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the asking question? Find the x. In the given equation to calculate only x value. Everyone understood? They are asking find the x value. They are given one equation. How to find the x values here? Can you see that? So what is the given equation? X minus 6 is equal to 0. They are asking only calculate x only. The minus x, take that's the right side. Which value you are getting? Positive 6. Minus 6, take right hand side. Positive 6. So x is equal to 0 is the answer. You understood? The given equation x minus 6 is equal to 0. Only to calculate x value. That's why left side only x value, right side only remaining answer value. So minus 6 take that side plus 6. So x is equal to 6. So only 2 marks question. Very easy. Everyone understood? The given equation calculate only x. So that's why left side only x value, right side remaining what are the given elements should put. Understood? Second question. Solve for x. Four x square plus 4 is equal to 20. Here also solve for x means to find the value of x. What is the given equation? Student, as it is, consider what is the given equation? 4x square plus 4 is equal to 20. Only to calculate x value. Here 4 and 20 is all 4 is all values are constant value. That's why first constant value take one side. Here plus 4 send that side, plus 4 take that side, minus 4. Plus 4x square is equal to 20. Plus 4 take that side, minus 4. So 4x square is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. So x square is equal to 4. In the denominator 60 divided by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 ja. The x square is equal to 4. So now this equation is called a pure quadratic equation. How many equations getting? 2 values for getting because of a polynomial degree is 2. That's why definitely the roots of equation how many values are getting? 2 values. So you only calculate x. What is extra? 2 is extra. So eliminate 2 means take square root on both. Okay. Square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. So square root of x square is equal to take plus or minus square root of 4. Square and root cancel. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 value is 2. The x value how many values are getting? Plus or minus 2 means x is equal to plus 2 or x is equal to minus 2. Here first question is find the x. What is the given equation to calculate x? What is the given equation? X minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus x 6 take the set plus 6. So finally we got the x value. The second equation 4x square plus 4 is equal to 20 they are given. So all value constant value take right hand side. So plus 4 also constant value. That's why I am taking right hand side. Plus 4 take right hand side, minus 4 getting 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Only to calculate x value. That's why what is x value? 4. 4 is the product of the left side. That's why 4 go to the right hand side is denominator will going. So 4 1 the 4 4 the. So x square is equal to 4. Only to calculate x. What is extra? 2. 2 eliminate is both sides can take square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides, square root get cancelled, plus or minus square root of 4. The x answer is plus or minus root 4. The root 4 is nothing but 4 can be written as 2 square. Square and root get cancelled. What is the final answer is 2. 4 value is 2. X is equal to plus or minus plus 2 or minus 2. Everyone understood? It is clear? Third question. Very easy these questions. Final exam asked 2 marks question, one is the 6 mark question. Very easy. Third question. Solve for x 3x square minus 27 is equal to 0. Here also to find the value is x. So what is the given equation? As it is you should write 3x square minus 27 is equal to 0. 27 is a constant value, take right hand side, minus 21 take right hand side, plus 27 you get. So next 3 side to the denominator, x square is equal to 27 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. The x square is equal to 9. So to eliminate square, that's why take square root on both sides. Okay. Square root on both sides. So we get taking square root on both sides. Square root of whenever taking square root on both sides, in right side you put the plus or minus square root of 9. Square root and the square get cancelled. X is equal to plus or minus root 9 value is 3. So root 9 can be written as 3 square value is 9. So square root get cancelled. So the value is 3. That's why root 9 value is 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Everyone understood? It is clear? What is the asking? Solve for the x means to what is the given equation to calculate the x value? That's why only left side only put the x remaining. What are the constant take right hand side? That's why first what is the given equation? As this you should write minus 27 is the constant take right hand side. Plus 27 is to get the 3 is extra 3 is in the denominator. 3 1 3 9 x square is equal to 9. Only to want to x only, but what is extra? Square is there. How to eliminate the square means take the square root on both sides. Square root of x square equal to whenever take square root on both sides, right side put the positive or negative symbol. Square root of x square is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. Square root get cancelled. Plus or root 9 minus 3. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Everyone understood? Next one. Fourth one, fifth, sixth. These 3 questions are very important. The fourth question. One more question. Solve for x that 2x plus 4 is equal to 46. Here also solve for the x to calculate x value. What is the given equation? As it is finally to calculate x value. So first of all, what is the given equation? Right? As it is 2x plus 4 is equal to 46. Here 46 and 4 under this 2, all 3 values are constant value. That's why constant value take right hand side value. So plus 2x is as it is, plus 4 take that side, minus 4. The right hand side plus 46 as it is, plus 4 take that side, minus 4. Now 2x is equal to 46 minus 4 value is 40. Only to calculate x value. What is extra? 2 is the extra. 2 is the extra. So that's it. X is equal to 2 will go to the right hand side means denominator. 2 1 ja 220. What is x value now? X is equal to 20 is the answer. So what is the given equation? 2x plus 4 is equal to 46 to calculate x value. So what is the given equation? This is right. Plus 4 is a constant value. Plus 4 take that side. Minus 4 you get. Plus 46 minus 4 value is plus 40. Next to 2 send the denominator. 2 1 ja 220 ja. So what is x value now getting? X is equal to 20. So everyone understood? It's clear. The next question. The fifth question is very important description. If 2 into 7 plus x, the minus 10 is equal to 16 minus 2 of x minus 24. Solve for x. So here also given left side and right side value to find the value of x. So what is the given equation? Right? As it is, So given equation 2 into 7 plus x minus 10 is equal to 16 minus 2 into x minus 24. First of all, simplify the left hand side and right hand side. First, what are the given equation? Simplify the LHS and RHS. So now we are the simplifying 2 7 14 plus 2 into x 2x. So minus 10 is as it is equal to simplify the right hand side value 16 minus into plus is the minus 2 into x is 2x. The minus into minus is the plus 2 into 24 value is plus 48. So what are the given equation? To simplify the LHS equation and RHS value. Now here plus 14 minus 10. What is the value of plus 14 minus 10? Plus 4 remaining plus 2x right as it is. So listen carefully. Plus 14 and 10 both values are constant values. So we can subtract the values. Plus 14 minus 10 is plus 4 plus 2x is as it is. The right side value is plus 16 plus 48. Plus 16 plus 48 value is plus 64. The minus 2x is as it is. So here both side constant values is there and also x variable is there. So now how to do this one is x variable take one side, constant value take one side. So whenever both side constant values and x variable values is there, x values take one side, constant value take one side. Here this is the constant value. So plus 4 take that side, minus 4. Minus 2x is the x variable function. Minus 2x take this side, plus 2x here, plus 2x as it is. Plus 2x is as it is. Minus 2x take this side, plus 2x. So all x variable taking one side. X64 is the constant rate as it is. Now left side constant value plus 4 take that side, minus 4. You understood? Both side constant value and x variable is there. So now we are taking x variable one side, constant value is one side. So minus 2x is the x variable. That's why we are taking left side. Minus 2x take this side, plus 2x. The left side is the 4 is the constant value. So 4 take the right hand side, minus 4 you get. Plus 2x is plus 4x. 64 minus 4 is 60. Only to calculate x value. That's why 4 is into the denominator. Small x is equal to 60 by 4. The 4 1 the 4 15. So what is the x value now? X is equal to 15. So now what are the given equation? First of all, simplify the LHS part and right hand side part. After that, here two constant values there. First you can add it or subtracting. You can do the plus 14 minus 10 is plus 4, plus 2x is as it is. Right hand side plus 16 and plus 4, both values are constant value. You should add plus 16 plus 14 plus 64 minus 2x is as it is. Now x variable take the left hand side, constant value take right hand side. So minus 2x can take the left side, means plus 2x should get, plus 4 take right hand side, minus 4 should get, plus 2x plus 2x is the value is plus 4x. 64 minus 4 is 60. The 4 on the 4 15. What is x value? X is equal to 15. Very important question. 2 marks question. Everyone understood? It is clear? 6-1. This one also most important question. 6-1. 8 into x minus 7 plus 2 into x plus 1. The minus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 18 is equal to 0. Find x. Here also one equation is given to calculate x. So what is the equation student as it is? After that, simplify the order the given equation. After that, x variable take one side, constant value take one side. First of all, what is the given equation? As this is right, 8 into x minus 7 plus 2 into 2x plus 1 minus 18 is equal to 0. So simplification of the left hand side value 8 into x is x minus 8 into 7 56. Next 2 into 2x is 4x. Plus into plus 2 into 1 2. minus 18 is equal to 0. So what are the given equation? To simplify the left side values. Now what are the x variable is there? Plus 8x plus 4x is plus 12x. So here only we are adding the x variable. Plus 8x plus 4x is plus 12x. Next to constant value minus 56 minus 18. What is the value? Minus 56 minus 18 is 6 plus 8 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. Both values are same. So whenever both symbols are same, we can add the value of that to the same symbol. So 50 minus 56 minus 18 is plus 64. What are the symbol is negative? So minus 56 plus 18. So this value is 74. The symbol is minus 74. Plus 8x plus 4x is plus 12x. Minus 56 minus 18 is minus 74. The next value is plus 2. Right as is equal to 0. So now the x variable is as it is plus 12x minus 74 plus 2 is minus 72 is equal to 0. Understand here? 74 and 2 are both values are constant value. Right? Minus 74 plus 2 value is minus 72 is equal to 0. Only to calculate x value. That's why x take one side, constant value take right hand side. So here minus 72 is our constant value. We are taking the right hand side. So plus 12x is as it is. Minus 72 take right hand side plus 72. So to calculate only x plus 12 in the denominator, x is equal to 72 by 12. 12 1 ja, 12 6 ja. So x is equal to 6. Everyone understood? What are the given equation to find the value of this x? So what are the given equation we are writing as it is? First of all, you can simplify the what is the given equation? 8 into x is at x minus is right. 8 into 7 is a 56. Next one is plus 2 into 2x plus 4x plus 2 into 1 is plus 2 minus 18 is as it is. Now you are adding the variable x plus 8x plus 4x is plus 4x. The minus 56 and minus 18 is a minus 74 plus 2 is equal plus 12 is equal to 0. Now 74 and 2 values are constant value. We can subtracting minus 74 plus 2 is a minus 72 is equal to 0. So we calculate x value. That's why constant value take right hand side. Plus minus 72 is a constant value taking right hand side means plus 72 get. So only to calculate x. What is x star 12? 12 1 12 6 x is equal to 6. Everyone understood? This one is a very important question. It is clear how to solve the given equation to find the x. Very simple. What is the given equation to simplify the? After that, LHS got only x, right hand side only constant value. So only LHS got only x, right hand side only constant value. This is the how to solve the problem to find the x. The next question is the final question in this method. Seventh one. Also most important question. Solve for x. 15 into 2x minus 3 minus 20 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here also find the x value. So same condition each every question. First of all, what are the given equations to write as it is? What is the given equation here? 15 into x minus 3 minus 20 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So first of all, what are the given equation? First we have to simplify. So now we are simplifying the left of the LHS part of the equation. Now 15 into 2x is 13x. The minus 15 3 is 45. Next 20 into x is 20x. The minus into plus is minus. 20 into 4 is 80 is equal to 0. Now we are adding x variable. What is x variable here? 30x minus 20x is plus 10x. Here 30x is a plus 30x is a minus 10x. Plus 30 minus 10 is plus 20. X is as it is. So now 30x is minus 20 is plus x. Next is the constant values. Minus 48 minus 8 is minus 53 is equal to 0. This is 80 now. So 45 minus 45 minus 80 is minus 125 is equal to 0. So what is the given equation to simplify the LHS equation? 15 into 2x is 30x, minus 15 3 is 45, minus 20 into x is minus 20x, minus into plus is a minus, 20 into 4 is 8 is equal to 0. Now we are adding or subtracting the x variable. Plus 30x minus 20x is plus 10x, minus 41 minus 8 is minus 125. So x variable one side, constant value is one side. So now minus 125 constant value is taking the right hand side, left side 10x is as it is, minus 125 that side plus 125. The x is equal to plus 125 divided by 10 in denominator. So now 125 by 10 x is equal to 12.5. Everyone understood? What is the given equation to calculate x? That's why whatever the given equation you can write as it is. First of all, simplify the LHS equation. 1 into 2x is 30x, minus 53 is 45, minus 20x is minus 20x, minus into plus is minus, so 20 into 40 is 80. So now we are adding x variable. Plus 30x minus 20x is plus 10x. The minus 45 minus 8 is minus 125 is equal to 0. Now here calculate the x value. That's why constant value take right hand side. The minus 125 take right hand side plus 125. So now calculate only x. So x is 10 in the denominator. 10 1 ja 10 12.5. So what is the final getting? X is equal to 12.5. The left of the questions tomorrow we will discuss. Everyone understood how to solve the given equation to find the x? So once again revision. Today discuss about second chapter name is theory of equations. What is the second chapter name is theory of equation. So first definition is polynomial. What is the definition of the polynomial? Is an expression of the form a0 x to the power of n, a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on. a0 is an is equal to 0 where a0 a1 so on a are all constant is called polynomial equation of degree n. In the variable x it is called polynomial equation. What is the definition of the polynomial equation? Means an expression of the form a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus so on a suffix n here x power of n minus n. N minus n is 0. X power of 0 value is only 1. That's why we are not writing here. So an expression of the form a0 x to the power of n plus so on a suffix n is equal to 0 where a0 a1 a2 so on are called constant value is called a polynomial equation of degree n. In the variable it is called polynomial equation. The second one is roots of the equation. Roots of the equation nothing but the value of x that satisfy the equation. It is called roots of the equation. Example is 2x minus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation. So 2x is equal to minus 4 take this side plus 4 x is equal to 200 x is equal to 2. The value of x that satisfy the given equation it is called roots of the equation. So very important definition is linear equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. The standard form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. This is nothing but a polynomial equation. A polynomial equation of degree 1, degree is 1 in the variable x, it is called linear equation. So a polynomial equation of degree is 1, it is called linear equation. For example is bx plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the degree in the variable x? Degree is the 1 in the variable x. This type of equation is called linear equation. There are two types of linear equation. Means first one is one variable linear equation. One variable linear equation means the equation of the form ax plus b is equal to 0. The equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0. A and b are constant only. X is the only one variable. That's why one variable linear equation we are calling. the equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0 where a and b are constants, x is a variable here. How many variable is there? X only. X is only one variable is there. That's why this equation calling by one variable linear equation. The second one is two variable linear equation. So two variable is a two variable linear equation. The equation of the form ax plus by is equal to 0 is called two variable linear equations here. In before question x only single variable is there. In this question how many variable is there? Two variable is there. That's why the equation of the form x plus by equal to 0, a and b are constants, x and y are two variables. X and y are two variables. That's why this type of equation is called two variable linear equation. The example is x plus by is equal to 0. The 4x minus 6y equal to 0. And how many variables is there? Two variables is there. Everyone understood? The very most important definition of one more is quadratic equation. Here, linear equation is nothing but a polynomial equation of degree is 1 is called linear equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. Very important definition is quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of degree it is 2 it is called quadratic equation. So what is the degree here? What is the degree here? 2 is the degree in the variable x. This type of equation is called quadratic equation. A polynomial equation of degree is 2 in the variable x is called quadratic equation. The standard form is x plus equal to 0. That example is 2x square plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. One more then 6x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0 plus 4 minus anything. So you want to, what is the degree in the variable x? Degree in the variable is x. A polynomial equation of degree 2 it is called quadratic equation. Here also there are two types of quadratic equation. First one is pure quadratic means pure quadratic equation means the standard form of quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If b equal to 0 we can take here, if b equal to 0 then ax square plus c is equal to 0. So this type of equation it is called pure quadratic equation. For example 4x square minus 16 equal to 0. Here x square coefficient constant coefficient. So minus 16 take the side, 4x square equal to plus 16. 4 1 ja 4 x square is equal to 4. Take square root on both sides. Square root of x square is equal to, whenever taking both sides square root, take right side plus or minus square root of 4. Square root we cancel. X is equal to plus or minus root 4 value is 2. Now can root 4 can be written as, root 4 can be written, 4 can be written as 2 square. Square root we cancel, the root 4 value is 2. That's why root 4 can be written as 2. So this type of equation is called pure quadratic equation. The next one is affected quadratic equation means the quadratic equation of the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is called affected quadratic equation. The quadratic equation can be solved by three methods. One is the factor method, and one is the complete square method, another one is the formula method. In these three methods only formula method is most important. So we will discuss tomorrow. We will discuss left of the questions. Everyone understood? Thank you to all.